Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance using GCash. First, ensure your Binance account is verified and ready for transactions. We will then walk through linking your GCash account as a payment method. Next, I'll show you how to find suitable sellers on the P2P marketplace. Finally, we'll cover the secure steps to complete your crypto purchase and receive your assets. To begin, open your Binance app and tap on the P2P trading section. Look for the payment methods option and select Add a new payment method. Choose GCash from the list of available options. You will need to enter your GCash account name and number. Double-check these details carefully to ensure they are accurate for smooth and secure transactions. Now, on the P2P trading page, select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, like USD. Browse through the available sellers, paying attention to their prices and completion rates. Once you find a suitable seller, enter the amount you want to purchase and initiate the trade. You will then transfer the agreed amount to the seller's GCash account. Make sure to complete this transfer promptly. After successfully transferring funds via GCash, return to the Binance app and confirm that you have made the payment. The seller will then verify receipt and release the cryptocurrency to your Binance wallet. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Once completed, you can check your spot wallet to see your newly acquired digital assets, ready for trading or holding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.